So here we had some dry rotted pea.
Every once in a while they get a little backed up.
Yeah.
That's usually when Matt's
pieces of MDF, and basically I'm just going to use the existing piece of wood to trace my cuts. So it gives me two areas where I need to cut. Now this piece of trim, since I'm going to use the same trim, I flip it over, so not like this, but like this.